In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove contacts from a static list in HubSpot. This will guide you step by step, ensuring you become confident in managing your contacts efficiently. To start off, make sure you're logged in to your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's simple to sign up on the HubSpot website. Follow the prompts to either log in or create a new account, which will grant you access to the HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll need to do is navigate to the CRM platform. This is where all your contact lists and customer relationship management tools will be located. You should be able to find this option on the main dashboard. Once you've located it, click on CRM to reveal a list of your existing contacts. Now that you're in the CRM section, you'll see a list of your contacts. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the specific contacts you wish to add to your static list. When you've found these contacts, you can select them by ticking the checkboxes next to their names. This allows you to choose multiple contacts at once, which can save time if you're working with a large number of contacts. With your contacts selected, direct your attention to the top right corner of your HubSpot interface. Here, you'll see an option labeled Actions. Click on this, and you'll be presented with several options. The one you're looking for is Add to Static List. Selecting this option will prompt HubSpot to move those selected contacts into your chosen static list. Now, it's a good practice to double-check that all your intended contacts have been added successfully. Now let's switch gears and talk about removing contacts. Suppose you need to tidy up your list by removing certain contacts. Fortunately, this process is just as straightforward. While viewing your static list, scan through and identify the contacts you wish to remove. Remember, this action is irreversible, so ensure you are certain about the contacts you want to delete. Once again, select these contacts by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. With your contacts selected, return to the Actions option in the top right corner. Here, instead of adding to a list, you will select the Delete option. This will permanently remove those contacts from your static list. Take a moment to confirm the deletion, as this action cannot be undone. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly add or remove contacts from your static list in HubSpot, keeping your contact management efficient and organized. Whether you're growing your list or keeping it precise, these tools provide the flexibility you need to maintain crisp and up-to-date records.